Hi, this is Sharon Lim. I'm an independent Stampin' Demonstrator. I blog at sharonitwithyou.blogspot.com. And today I'm showing you how to make this lovely box. It's called the Napkin Fold. Ready? And then you open it up and you can put lots of treats in here. Candies, trinkets, things like that. So let's get started. For the box, you want to start with a piece of cardstock measuring 6 by 6, scoring at 1.5 on all sides. So you can see hopefully those score lines, and you're going to cut on two sides. I'm going to kind of miter it just so it helps with the when you put it. What I mean by that is just like cutting it at an angle. So I'm going to do 2 of these on this side and then do the same on the opposite side. And then I'll show you how to do the DSP before you actually assemble it. This box makes me happy because it does a lot of my fun folds origami. I love it. Alright, so now you're going to get a piece of DSP measuring 2 7/8 by 2 7/8, and then 4 pieces of DSP measuring 1 3/8 by 2 7/8. And basically what it does is it does these sides and the inside of the box. So we'll start with this one. This is going to be the inside of the box. So a little adhesive here. I'm going to put this here. I'm going to flip it over. Now we're going to put these 4 on the sides. And there's one. And these, this DSP is the Dainty Designs DSP Designer Series paper that you can earn during the 2023 celebration. And there you go. So basically you're just going to fold along the score lines, and then you're going to put some adhesive here to close up the box. So I'm going to grab some glue. Line up the sides as best you can. That just helps it remain square. Line that up again. Looks like I need a little bit more here. I'll put some glue on there. There we go. Almost there. And that is your box. We'll hold it for a little while to get it all down. I think I missed some corners here. Just put some glue on there. There you go. Now my box is complete. So I'll set that aside. Now we're going to do the lid. So the lid is 6 1/8, 6 1/8, scored at 3/4 and 1.5 on all sides. So there's double lines. You see that? Alright, and so there's a special cutting for that one. You're actually going to cut twice on each side. So on the 1.5 and the 3/4. Then you're going to cut off just that piece, the 2 squares, and then the single square. And then again, I like to miter a little bit here just for the box. So I'll repeat on those again. So again, the 1.5 all the way, 3/4 all the way, cut off the ends, cut off just the 1 square, and miter. feel free to fast forward if you'd like. Oh, I think I missed a 1.5. Hold on. One more score line is needed. Otherwise I won't know where to stop. Perfect. Okay, let's try again. There. There. Cut off the 2 squares. Cut off the 1 square. Miter. Miter. I love this lid too because it has a double part here that really reinforces the lid to make sure it's nice and secure to whatever treat you're going to choose to put in there. Alright, the last miter here. And that's it. Now we're going to get our DSP ready. So similar type. So 3x3 for 1 piece and then 4 pieces of 5/8 by 3. And that is the lid here. Oops, the lid here. Nope, that's the box, sorry. The lid here. I keep grabbing the wrong thing. So let's do the DSP for the top of the lid. And then the 4 B's. That will go around all 4 sides of the box. One more. All right. And same thing, go ahead and score along all the lines. Burnishing with my bone folder just to make sure that I'm getting nice crisp edges. Don't forget the tabs. This is the part you're going to put the glue on. Alright, so glue on the tabs. Let's do this one at the same time, see if I can do it. Glue on the tabs, and then you're folding it in, measuring, making sure that they're square first. Hold it down for a bit because the glue needs to dry. We'll do the same on this side. Squeeze it in, square it off, hold it for a second, square it off here. And I'll start with the first flap that I created since these are still drying. So some glue here, and then you're going to fold it in. And that's what reinforces it. And repeat on all 3 sides, the rest of them. Last one. I'm gonna use my bone folder to make sure I get them nice and crisp. Hold it down for some of the glue. Test it out. Yep. All right, so the fun part here, the napkin fold, call it. So I want this side to show. So it's 6 by 6, and you're going to score 1.5 on all 4 sides. You see that? And then there's some diagonal lines right there, and I'll show you how to do those. So what I did is I used a pencil and I marked 3 inches on each of those, and then I used my scoring to score to make those diagonal lines, and then also did the diagonal lines at the 1.5. All right. So here's the fun part of folding. So we're going to fold these in all the way around. Reminds you of the cootie catchers. You remember doing this in school? All the diagonals. Don't worry about the last one. We'll do that one last. So make sure they're really nice and good. And so basically you're pushing these in, if that makes sense, that way. So I'll do it again, sorry. In, till they match. And then the square on the top. Looks like I'm a little off, but that's okay, it'll still work. So I did it again, in, score. In, and basically you're going to have those 4 squares. And that's why I waited to do the other one, the last ones until now. So burnish those really well, and then you're ready to do the opens like that. I think that worked. Yep. And burnish those a little better. And then what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to cut an X from here to here. So the easiest way I did it is I just folded it diagonally here where I want to cut, and folded the other diagonal way. You could do this on your trimmer if you like. But I thought I found it easier just to cut in half this way. And then half this way. And you'll see an X and 4 triangles. These 4 triangles. So those are going to go inside this way. Inside the box. So you refold again. Bring your box back. And then you're going to put glue on each one of these flaps and bring it in. So we'll start with this one. Put it on the box and push it in. And repeat. And that is it. Here's your lovely napkin fold. And put the lid on. I'll do the same with this one. And those are your 2 napkin fold boxes. As you open it up, pull it open, put your treat inside, and the same for this one. And put your treat inside there. So thank you for letting me share this with you. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share this video, and I'll be sure to make more of these fun folds for you. Thanks for letting me share this with you, and have a great day. Bye.